Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about storage. Storage in Firebase allow you to store image, videos and anything from your Android app to these services. So it's really amazing features. You could use it to upload data. So imagine I want to create a new folder. This folder will help me to save some images. I will say, okay, I will have images. This folder, I have it. So I just create folder. I will say images. Okay. And okay, add. So yes, I have folder for images to save my image. Just I make sure to go to the rules and try to update this rule. I will say, okay, this one anyone could read and write, not to authorize, anyone could read and write without anything. So anyone, if I click it now, so anyone could read and write. You could later change it to specific permission, but now I don't want to restrict my work. I want anyone could do read and write. If you see, yes, now everyone could do read write. I'm not stressing this part. I'm stressing to how do this operation. So first of all, go to your to the storage in the Firebase. Make sure to go get started in Android, and first of all, add this 2-line in your code. Let me copy this 2-line and I go back to my project, this part, and I add it under the cover Firebase. So make sure you already seen first video on Firebase and you're already setting your Firebase with this project. Now, okay, get synchronous for this project to get started. What's next? Next, I want to upload some images. So let's make sure I have some view for image view. Say, okay, let me add image view, and also it doesn't have any image, add any image inside it, but what I have, I want to add this image inside. This is the real one. So let's make sure copy it, paste it in my project. Then yes, now I have this image. I just want to be like more. I just replace this image. So yes, here we go. This is the image. You could change the size. I don't care about the size and other stuff. I just caring about the image view, so I could access to it from the code. So yes, here I just define my image view. I would say, okay, have image view, and here I would set the image view, so equal image view r.id dot the id name. Just time get access to the image view, so I could do operation. Second, let me see how could I upload this one. So if you go to upload, just take it and see this line. First of all, he say, okay, first you have to define your reference. So, okay, let me just take this 2-line. I copy them, I will go back, add them here. So if I minimize this part, he say, okay, you have references. For sure you have storage references and you access to some storage in your computer. So you have to have instance from storage. So I say, okay, you will say, okay, I have Firebase storage. Let's name it storage equal a new instance from Firebase storage. So I have Firebase storage dot get instance. You just create an instance from Firebase storage. Second, he asking for the URL for your Firebase. So if you go here, you have already, this is the URL JSM and everything. Go back to your project and replace it with the new one. Now when you want to save the image, okay, say I want to save image in the folder, name it images. If you see images, so make sure you go back here and say, okay, I have images. That's great. So now let me go next. If I go back to this code, I have it already. So I don't want to do many work. So let me just copy this one, and I'll show you some changes. We have to do it, not we will do it. So okay, this is the code. Yeah, this is what we have. First thing, we have access to image view. Yes, we already defined our image view. He say get, then he did some bitmap. So you need to change the image to bitmap. Then he did stream array. So first of thing, access to the image, then I change the image, I have it to the bitmap, then I access it, then I change this bitmap to reduce the size, then to the byte, then I start my task to do the operation. So if this failure, okay, please show me why it's failure. If it's success, here you go. So it's listener for a success and do some operation for me. This is the URL, like when he updated it, when he from where I could download it. So this will be download URL. You could download your file from it, or you could save it. So someone when he want to download, he could download this file. Now I think everything is good, and I don't have anything missing in my code. But in same same fonts, this line will not work. I don't know why, but maybe because the size. So you need to do some work. You need to just stop this line, and you could say, okay, first of all, I have to do some bitmap. So I say, okay, bitmap drawable. Then you say, okay, bd. Then you say bitmap drawable, just define an instance, or you say, okay, I have a drawable equal a new instance from my image. You say, okay, I will take the image, then I will just change it to bitmap drawable. Then okay, I say mgview dot get drawable. So you're taking the image, change drawable. Then you could change it to bitmap. Now you could say, okay, I have bitmap. You already have a bitmap here, this line. Now you could say, okay, what's happened? You could get it here. Say, okay, I have a bitmap equal drawable. You're just getting the drawable. Now it should work, because I don't know, for some purpose, for some devices did not work that line. I don't know why Google added. So just replace them with this two line. So it's really easy way. Just you taking, again, you define the URL you want to post, then you define the image, the name of the image you want to name it, any name you could give it. So yes, then you say, you could give it the real name from your device if you have your device. Then you take the image, change it to bitmap, then compress it, then change it to the byte, then send it to a synchronous task, some task in background. If success, he will give you a URL for success. So you could take this URL to get string to C. Also, just make sure you already have access to internet here. So yes, here you go. Now if I run it, I have to see the file app. Yes, it's run, but it will take some time until it be active on the server side. Just wait for a few seconds, then go to the Firebase. Here we go. Here is the image. Here is the mountain. That's what I want to show you. Thank you for watching. So for the part of download, you could work with it by yourself, because you have for upload. Here we're done, and thank you.